children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics chapter 9, exercise 9.5 and part 1. In the last class we learnt exercise 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4 word sums, isn't it children? I hope all of them would have completed till 9.4 and till 9.5 it's for second term examination. So children all should have been completed. No incomplete notes should be there. All should complete. And this is session 29. Okay children. One more part is there. That one in the next week we will send you. I will send you in the YouTube class. Okay children. Okay. We'll go into the sum. Okay children. Exercise 9.5 is given in page number 153. Okay. The first one A1 is change to milliliters. You have to convert into milliliter. The sum is 6 liter. 6 liter you have to convert into milliliter. So what will come children? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So what will come children? So 6 liter means what will come? 6 liter is equal to 6 into 1000 milliliter. So the answer is 6000 milliliter. 6000 milliliter. Okay children, this sum is very easy, isn't it children? So after that you draw a line, and the second sum is 2 liter 970 milliliter. 2 liter 970 milliliter. Here see 1 liter is equal to what children? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter is given. So what will come children? 2 liter is equal to 2 into 1000 ml. Milliliter is equal to what children? 2000 milliliter. Understood children? So while writing, what you have to do here? 2 liter means what answer will come children? 2 liter 970 milliliter is equal to 2000 milliliter. And see, already it's this 970 is in milliliter only. So you no need to convert anything. So what you have to write? You have to add. You have to add 2000 plus 970 milliliter. When you add this both, what answer will come children? 2970 milliliter. If you find very hard to add, what you should write? You have to write in the rough column like this. So what answer will come? 2970. Okay children? Understood? And then you have to draw a line. Okay. We'll see the third sum children. Okay. Okay, we'll see the third sum. Third sum is 9 1/4 liter. 9 1/4 liter. So here what we have learnt in the last YouTube class children, 1/4 means what? 250 ml. 1/4 means 250 call we say. Okay children, first we have to find for 9, you have to convert 9 and then you have to convert this 1/4. So what will come children? 1 liter is equal to what children? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So the 9 liter is equal to what will come children? 9 liter is equal to 9 into 1000 ml. So what will come? 9000 ml. Isn't it children? So see 9 1/4 liter. So is equal to 9, what will come? 9 into 1000 ml is equal to 9000 ml. And then we have to find out this 1/4. So 1/4 means what children? 1/4 means what we learned. You have to be thorough. 1/4 means 250 ml. 1/4 means 250 ml. So what will come? 1/4 is equal to 250 ml. So now you have to add this 9000 and 250. So 9000 ml plus 250 ml. So if you add this both, what answer will come children? 9250 ml. Are you thorough, children? See, 1 by 4 means 250. No one should forget. Okay, children? Understood, children? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, children? Shall we see the fourth sum? Okay. Fourth sum. 4 3 by 4 liter. Understood, children? 4 3 by 4 liter. So 1 liter is equal to what, children? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And now we have to find out this 4. So 4 liter is equal to what, children, will come? 4 into 1000 ml. So what answer? 4000 ml. Understood, children? So 4 3 by 4 liter. First we are going to see about 4. So what will come, children? 4 into 4 is equal to 4 into 1000 ml is equal to 4000 ml. And then we are going to see this 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to how many? 3 by 4 means what, children? Mukkal. Mukkal means what will come? 3 by 4 means what will come? 750 ml. What will come? 750 ml. You should not forget 1 by 4 means kal. 3 by 4 means mukkal. 1 by 2 means half. Okay, children? So, what answer will come, children? So, you have to add this 4000 and this 750. So, 4000 ml plus 750 ml is equal to 4750 ml. Understood, children? It's very easy, I think so. Okay, children? We'll see the fifth sum, children. See, fifth sum, 16 liter 25 ml. 16 liter 25 ml. Okay. Now what children? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 16 liter, here 2 digit they have given. So you have to be careful. 16 liter is equal to 16 into 1000 ml. So what you have to do, children? You have to write the 16 as it is and see how many zeros are there. 3 zeros. So you have to add this 3 zeros. So 16,000 ml. So what answer will come, children? 16,000 ml plus this 25 ml you have to write as it is. So when you add this both, what will come? 16,000 plus 25 you have to write here only. You should not write here. Okay, children? 52061. So what answer, children? 16,025 ml. If you are thorough means you can write directly. It's very easy. You can write directly. Okay, children? Okay. Now I'll give 3 sum for homework. 3 sum for homework. See, sometimes I will give the same sum for homework. So don't worry, children. You do that sum as it is. Otherwise you can neglect that one. Because mistakenly I would have given the same sum. Okay. 3 sums I will give for homework. For 6th sum, 15 liter. And the 7th sum, see, so 2 sums are same in the book. That is 9 1 by 4. 9 1 by 4, yes. 9 1 by 4, I think so. 4 3 by 4. 4 3 by 4, 2 times they have given. Understood, children? So what I have given, I have changed the number. Changed the number, children. Okay, children? See, I have given by 1. Instead of 9, I have given 1 by 4. 8, 1 by 4. Don't get confused. Instead of 9, what you can do? You can write, do the sum for 8. Okay, children? Don't get confused. In the book, 4th sum and the 7th sum is the same sum. 4, 3 by 4. I think third is 4 3 by 4. Fifth sum and the seventh sum. Fifth sum and the seventh sum 4 3 by 4 is given. So what I did, I gave this sum as a own. In the I have taught you 9 1 by 4, isn't it, children? Instead of 9 1 by 4, I given 8 1 by 4. Don't think, oh, Miss didn't give this sum is not in the book. Don't get confused. Okay, children. Okay, the eighth sum 5 1 by 2. 5 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what, children? Half. What you have to write? 500, like that you have to write. Okay, children. Don't get 1 by 2 means 500 ml you have to do. So 3 sums for homework. In the last class, one day I told in the Zoom I will read out the names. So many of them sent me. But coming 2 weeks I didn't. Only few students are sending the homework. Children, if you are not sending, you are the loser. I am not the loser. You are the loser. So children, you have to complete the notebook, complete the sums, and you have to send it to my WhatsApp. Okay, children, we'll see the B1. Okay, children, the B1, express as liters and milliliters. Express as liters and milliliters. Like the previous exercise, only the same thing, only this liter, milliliter will be changing. Okay, children. So now here milliliter is given. You have to convert into liter. So 1000 milliliter is equal to what, children? 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So what we have to do? 4000 milliliter is equal to what, children? What will come, children? 4 liter. What will come? 4 liter. So 4000 milliliter is equal to what will come, children? 4 liter. Understood, children? 4000 milliliter is equal to 4 liter. You can divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. See, if you put 4000 here inside and 1000, see what will 1000 fours are? 4000. So the answer is 4 liters. So in an easy way I am teaching like this. Okay, children, you have to divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. Okay, the second sum. Second sum also very easy only, but they were given 4500 ml. So 4500 ml means what will come, children? Very easy only. Directly, if you are thorough means you can do the sum. 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So here 4000 is given. 4500. So 4000 ml is equal to 4 liter. Isn't it, children? So while writing 4000 ml, what you can write? 4 liter 500 ml. Easy, no? 4 liter 500 ml. These are milliliter. These three will come under milliliter. This is 1000, isn't it, children? So 4 liter 500. 3 digit will be always coming in the milliliter. 1000, how many zeros? 3, isn't it, children? So this will be coming as milliliter. So 4 liter 500. Directly also you can write. It will be very easy for you. Okay, we'll see the third sum. Third sum as it is only 5750 milliliter. See, like as it is, what you have to write, children? 5750 milliliter is equal to, see, here 5000 is there. So 5000 milliliter is equal to what, children? 5000 ml is equal to what will come, children? 5 liter, isn't it, children? 5000 ml is equal to 5 liter. So 5 liter and the 3 digit, what is there? 750. So 750 ml. See, express as liters and milliliters. This is liter and this is milliliter. 5 liter, 750 milliliter. Are you thorough, children? Okay, we'll see 2 more sums. Okay, children, the fourth sum, 1025 ml. 1025. See, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So what's the answer, children? Very easy, isn't it, children? What will come? 1 liter, and this 3 digit will be coming under milliliter. But 0 has no value. So what you have to write, children? 25 ml. 25 ml. 1 liter, 25 milliliter. Understood, children? Okay. We'll see the fifth sum. I'll make it to do in the Zoom class, so be thorough in this sums. Okay, children. Okay, children, 90,075 milliliter. 90,075 milliliter. So here also the two, what we have to write, see, 90,075 milliliter. So 1000 ml is equal to what, children? 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So here what? 90,000. You have to, while reading itself you can find out. 90,000. So 90,000 milliliter is equal to what will come, children? 90 liter will come. What will come, children? 90 liter will come. So what answer will come? 90 liter, and these three, see, last only the 3 digit will come under milliliter. So here 0 has no value. So what you have to write, children? 75 ml. 90 liter, 75 ml. Understood, children? You have to be careful. You should not write 9 liter and then 75. 9 liter if you write means it will be wrong. Understood, children? 90,000. You have to read the answer. Okay, now again I will give 3 sum for homework. Okay, children, 3 sum I will give for homework. 9,125 milliliter, and then the 7th sum 1,305 milliliter, and then the 8th sum 6,528 milliliter. Understood, children? These 3 sums are for homework. These 3 sums are for homework, children. So totally 6 sums are there for homework. Okay, children, 6 sums are there for homework. I don't know whether you are all following me or not, I don't know, but only few students are doing the sums and sending to me. Many of them are not sending. While correction, I will check it out, because that time only all will be asking me, Miss, send me this one, Miss, send me. I will not send. I will not send anything. Whenever I am sending, you have to be updated, you have to complete it, because this is exercise 9.5. A and B I taught. In the next class I will teach the word sums. So the 9 till 9.5 it's for second term exam. Okay, children? So don't forget to do the homework sums. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next class. Bye. Thank you.